Perry dropped out. How does that affect you?
Not a whole lot. A lot of people think, well, you know, his numbers kept going down. He didn't have any votes to pass on. I don't think you can pass your votes on anyway. And I think they're going to be distributed to the various candidates, and they probably have already. Just because he endorsed Gingrich, that doesn't mean that Gingrich is going to get all those votes. And I think I'll get some of those votes. You know, people, saw him as a fellow Texan, and I just think that I will get some of those votes.
I think you will too.
So I think we'll have to see, because I think it was hard to predict what would happen when Kaine got out, but our polling showed that we jumped a bit after Kaine got out, and we picked up some of those votes.
Talking about Kaine and taxes, which was his big issue, I mean, he came out with a major plan, whether it worked out. What is your major plan on taxes? How are you going to change the tax system? What's the big plan?
Well, I try to get people to think of spending as a tax, because once the government spends money, they're going to tax you whatever. They're going to have you a direct tax, they're going to borrow the money, or they'll print the money, and all is a tax on the people. So spending is the issue. But if you want to look at the tax code, the simpler the better.
Well, what do we do specifically?
Well,
can I pin you down?
I mean, my goal is to get rid of the income tax. You know, I don't think we need an income tax. We didn't have it up until 1913, but you have to change. We all have to change our attitude about what the government should be doing. If we want the government to run a welfare state and police the world, you're going to have an income tax and a lot more, and you're still going to have a lot of print money and borrow money. But no, the simpler the better. Anything will get it down. My promise in my district over the many years has always been, I will never vote to raise your taxes. I will always vote to lower your taxes, and I will always do whatever I can to simplify the system and undermine the IRS.